I love having options of different heights and the fact that it's made of solid wood. We did so much research to find the safest crib for our baby and ended up choosing Babyletto Hudson. I took 1 star off because it's not as heavy and sturdy as I would like it to be. We keep it in a corner but it slides on hardwood floor easily if you lean on it even slightly, and I am 115 pounds. I love this crib. Easy to put together, good quality and very pretty for my baby girl's nursery. Crib is beautiful. It's easy to put together. I am 37 weeks pregnant and was able to assemble the crib myself in about an hour. I previously purchased the Babyletto Gelato changing dresser and wasn't crazy about the Gelato crib. Wasn't sure if the Hudson crib would go with the changing dresser, but having them side by side it looks like they are part of the same collection. Purchased the natural wood finish. I am still waiting for the mattress to arrive, so will update review if mattress changes my satisfaction. Love the crib. It's soft wood, so if you bump rocking chair into it's gonna leave a mark, but other than that it's cute. Cute bed, the quality seems good. It does not have a weird or strong smell. However, one of the leg is a little bit damaged. Kind of disappointing when you spend almost $400 for a crib. Very easy to assemble and quality looks great for the price. Loved this crib very much. It takes less than 20 minutes to put it together and it has a very unique and modern look. I highly recommend. Product arrived in excellent condition and looks great in the new nursery. Manufacturer offers fast and excellent customer service. The height of the mattress is very useful as the kid grows and there's a replacement front piece, gate, so the kid can get in and out at will. Sturdy and quite pretty as well. Happy with the purchase. Love this crib. Easy to assemble and made of solid wood. Very sturdy. 2 downsides however. One of the screws that secure side rail to base was too long or pre-drilled hole wasn't deep enough. It still went almost all the way in, and with some basic tweaking of the screw or hole I am sure this could be solved. It also was slightly too small for my Sealy mattress. Love this crib, looks great with the matching changing table as well. Good quality and came perfectly packed with no damage. Love the colors as well. Perfect size. Relatively easy to put together so long as you pay attention to the holes in the diagram. Almost did the wrong side. The footprint was smaller than we thought when the box showed up, which is a good thing. Overall very satisfied and excited with our purchase. This crib looks clean, elegant and is perfect for our daughter's little space. Click link in description for more reviews.